UV Editing v Maxim. In this section, UV Editing, and learn the use of Maxim. First of all, UV Editing. An object with a 3D volume. Leaving some edges. Conversion to a 2D surface. One 3D object. How to transform two-dimensional one surface. Let's see through an animation. Then we will see the UV of other objects. As you can see in the UV editing video. Surfaces of the object. The process of placing on the plane. 1 cube 1. 2 3. 4 5. Consists of 6 surfaces. Each of these surfaces, we place it on the plane. Although it seems very simple here, in much more complex structures, so many X-roads, in studies where Inset and Bible are applied, you can use UV editing. Let's show some ready object UV editing. We open a new page. We have UV editing area in the top menu. When we pass here, our stage is divided into 2. On the right, our object is in edit mode, and all surfaces are selected. On the left, we see the UV. Every vertex on the left, it shows a vertex on the right. As you can imagine on the screen, this is to vertex and the same way you see on the screen again. These 2 edges are common, so they are the same. This situation, let's try to show more on a few objects. We delete our object. We add a cylinder to the scene. When we enter edit mode, upper and lower circles of our cylinder also see the surfaces on the side. Surfaces are currently shown one by one on the left side, so our 3D cylinder turned into a 2D surface. Let's try again by adding a new object. We add one torus. You see the distribution of torus UVS. Finally, let's see another object. Triangles come together to form one sphere. We added icosphere. This structure, this is how IT is placed on a 2-dimensional one plane. This was our UV editing part. Texture of an object here. So when we want to assign material, we post one picture on this surface. Which parts of the picture intersect with the surface? That picture is visible on the same part on the right. So the part of the picture that comes to this part. Here IT appears in the triangle representing IT. Let's choose a triangle. Now the area we chose on the right. Picture on the left. Whichever part IT coincides with, that surface is visible. Let's open a new scene again. Now, we will talk about the Maxim feature. Here are the wides we want to leave in UV editing. We determine ourselves. If you remember, IT was also automatically sorted in UV editing. For example, the top surface was the square on the right. Coming to the layout part, we went to edit mode. We choose Meet Select, and we choose the edges one by one. That is, to separate the top surface in one piece. And we want to work independently from other surfaces. That's why we chose the top surfaces. Check key. We use the shortcut key and select the Mark Sim. If you pay attention, Mark Sim is selected. Red color appeared on the edges. When we switch to UV editing, this piece will separate automatically. Now, we want to do the same process in the subsurface. We choose our four sides. We call Ctrl-E and Max. Finally, when it will place these four surfaces on a flat ground, we choose which side we want IT to separate from. We chose an edge and made it maximum. We are now in object mode. When we got into UV editing, can be seen as scattered in the same way, but all surfaces are separated from the parts we want. The surfaces we separate, placement operations, we will learn in our future lessons. More complicated, we will continue to use this feature in buildings. This texture. We use IT to place IT in the area we want. There is another point you need to pay attention to here. We are in edit mode. When we press L, all surfaces will be selected. We're going out of election. Eye of the face. If we are in Select, and there is an area that we separate with Mark Sim. With the L key, we can normally select all surfaces, but we can't choose the areas we reserved in Face Select. In this way, to select the entire object, we can press the L key when the meat is in the bag. As you can see, with the L key we can select the entire object. See you in the next section.